Hey everyone, today we're looking at a 2016 Harley Davidson Softail Slim, and this is in red. It didn't come in red in this color, but to me it reminds me of the Velocity red or maybe the Mysterious red. I don't think it's Twisted. Twisted is too dark. This is a nice bright red. It's beautiful. The Harley Davidson sticker that they put on the tank looks really well done. We have this Screamin' Eagle intake and Bassani short pipes, and it sounds amazing. I'll start it in a little bit. We've got the solo seat, the Harley Davidson rider pegs, and matching shift and brake pedals. Really beautiful derby. And it also has the matching grips and the Rollin' Sands designs bar mounts right there. Ignition is here on the side. Gas gauge, really nice. We're at 7,109 miles. And 2016 Softail Slim in some sort of custom red. Come check it out. We're open for test rides 6 days a week.